inside, not just like the bullet or something inside. Now it's time to open this stuff.
Yay!
There's so much stuff inside, you guys. I was gonna get the other one, but I got the other one. Oh, Marcia! So look what we have. We got some paint. I love to paint. We can close it up and open it up. And later I'll also organize them. So we have paint first. Oh, then we have like this little barcode. Everyone comes with it. Okay. Are you man, they're like he's telling you, are you cute? And then it also comes with a little sticker pack. Yeah, for orange. Are you cute? Guys, if you hit the subscribe button and then say the comment below. Like, answer that question for him. So we have like this butter pencils. We have a golden yellow. We have a pinkish piece. We have a reddish purple. And we have a bluish white. Guys, subscribe to the video if you think PJ subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the video if you think he's cute. What is that? So we have some paint brushes.
It's so pretty.
Paint. I can open.
Ooh, wow.
And then we have some stickers.
Wow.
Okay, here's the paint. Stickers. The stickers are so good. So if I was you, I would prefer to get the other set. I just don't get it. This one comes with more colors. So then we got a pencil, some Play-Doh for math. Oh, I think you guys all have this question. Does it feel like a eraser? No, it does not. It feels like plastic metal. Okay. And then we have all these different colors of like the markers, and when you open them,
Wow-wee.
not right. They look like they can write, but they cannot. So we have a lot of colors, but you can open the cap. Next we have this ruler. They're all circles. Next we have a paintbrush. And with the paintbrush, there's some color pencils. And then a notebook that's also a folder. Okay guys, so we're gonna test it on Sis. I'm a big Sis fan, so we're gonna test it on Sis. Sis, how do you like this? I love this! I hope you guys are back! I have paint, sticker, pencil, Play-Doh. Maybe like sometimes their teacher gives you Play-Doh so you can make balls and count. Math, we have a eraser. So we have color markers. And sometimes he laughs after you. I think he's doing over to yeah. Are you kidding? So we have some color pencils, a paintbrush, circle. We have circle, ruler, and we have a notebook / folder.
Wow.
Okay guys, just before we go, I want to like show you how it looks when someone sits in it. So I'm gonna test it on Sis because I'm a Sis girl. If you saw my room, you would understand I'm a Sis girl. So what is Sis this time? And push him in. So that's everything, guys. Hello. So that's everything. So bye guys. I hope you had a good time with we're calling this, I think Selena Woodbird. I think Selena and Peachy Woodbird.